She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. That I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me.
Hi loves. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this low knot sleek bun, okay? So please stick around and don't forget to hit my subscribe button for more videos. So I'm gonna start by creating my side part and applying gel along the part to create a very sharp and precise parting. And also the gel that I used in this video was Eco Style gel, which is my favorite because it gives me the hold and firmness that I want.
And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me.
Okay love, so I use actually 4 brushes to get my hair in this sleek bun. Can you believe that? 4 brushes. I used a soft brush, firm bristle brush, an edge brush, and also my toothbrush. But obviously you don't need all 4, okay? So I was just being a little extra with it, alright?
I was too scared to show how I feel.
Also, when you're putting your hair in your ponytail, guys, don't forget to also brush the back by the nape of your neck, okay? Because we want to make sure that the back is also sleek. All right, loves? So shake, 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 shake. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Free spray for that extra hold, and also I'm gonna use my olive oil sheen spray. So I'm also gonna be using my wrapping strips to set the hair, and I'm going to leave the strips on until I'm done with the creating that ponytail in the back, and also after doing my makeup. Okay, love, so now I'm adding my braiding here. Okay, so while you're seeing what I'm doing, guys, if you're not getting, you're not seeing what I'm doing properly, you could always rewatch the video, pause it and stuff to make sure that you're getting it, to make sure that you're doing exactly what I'm doing to create this style. Okay, so I'm also going to take a little section from the hair to wrap around the base of that ponytail as well. Okay,
thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard, but maybe one day we can break the distance.
Okay guys, so the main product to use here, as you can see I'm using it a lot, is the freeze spray. Okay, because we want to stay far from using those bobby pins, because we know that using the bobby pins when holding our hair, tends to be very uncomfortable. So we want to make sure that we have our freeze spray very handy. Okay, because that's going to work as our security to secure our hair. Okay, so fingers crossed that it will be perfect on the first try. Okay, love, so now you're gonna be twisting the braiding here all the way to the end, guys. All the way to the end, you're gonna be twisting that braiding here, and then once you're done twisting, you're gonna then pull up. Okay, you're gonna pull up that hair and you're gonna wrap it around the twist. Am I explaining it okay? I hope I am. Oh, okay, so you're gonna wrap it around the twist until you get to the base of that ponytail. Okay, then you're gonna use your freeze spray to seal the deal. Okay. And loves, if you have any hair like poking out of the bun, just use a scissors and just carefully, okay, just cut the hair that's poking from the bun. So you're gonna make sure that you're cutting only the hair that's poking out. Okay, make sure you guys are not cutting the bun. All right, so yes, just take your time and do it. Okay, I believe in you. Okay, all right.
My feet, I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase by me.
And guys, if you would like the style to last, just make sure you do not skip the got to be freeze spray step. Okay, make sure you do not skip that step. Okay, because you'll be able to get a couple days or maybe a week wear from this style. Okay, and if you want to do like a touch up on your hair just to make it look fresh again, just use a spray bottle of water, because there's already enough products in your hair. You do not need to add more products. All right. Okay, love, so right now we're coming down to the end of this video. Okay, so please make sure to hit the like button if you loved this video or if you learned something from this tutorial. Okay, and also let me know if you're gonna be rocking this sleek and simple look. Okay, you see I can't put the free spray down. It's a key for this style. Okay, it's a major key. All right, so remember, please like this video if you learned something, if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to share my video, my channel, with your friends and family. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Listen, loves, this style do not deserve 1 but 2 thumbs up. Okay. Guys, hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one, which is on Saturday. Bye bye.